Jai Hind guys! Earlier today, we reached Laitlum Valley and here's a short recap of the video. Link given in the description for you to check it out. So reached Laitlum Valley. Let me introduce to you the lush green valley, blue sky with floating clouds and Grand Canyon of Meghalaya. You want to say something? Oh, so sweet. Beautiful shades of light and shadow on the undulation of the hills. This is Laitlum for you guys. Hi. So we stopped over for a cup of tea. So, Kiara, আমরা কি করছি? চা খাচ্ছিস? তুই চা খাবি? Okay, so you know, in Laitlum it's a small place out here. You can get a cup of tea, and there's some shacks that are being built. Those things are not there, you know, even 2-3 years back. Lot of stalls and restaurants, you know, small restaurants have come up. Here she's the naughty my grandchild, as naughty as Dadu. Trying to get you some side views of the Laitlum. There is some fencing out here, and you can see the clouds are playing. There's some shopping arrangements created by the government, it appears. And here is a local shopkeeper, a Khasi gentleman, selling some saplings. Kuno mama. Hello. He's having duma. This is called duma. Bahane duma? Hello. Duma mo. Bah mo. Toh. Ya malum. Toh. Kurusibun mo. Kurusibun. Here's another young boy selling momos and chips. These are special Shillong momos, and I bet you don't get a better tasty momos than what you get in Shillong. Yes, of course, you get momos in Ladakh and Sikkim. They are also good, tasty. Lot of tourists.
And we have a student team of 40 people. How much? How many of us are here?
So they have introduced entry tickets at the rate of 20 rupees per head, and camera fees are like, you know, for photo shoot 500, and you can read it. These are new things that happen. Look at her. Look at the smile. Don't throw. Why you are throwing trash into the nature? See the scenery of from the mobile camera. If you notice far away, there are some villages you can see. People go down to these villages by walking and come up. They come up, there is a pathway. So they come up to that pathway, climb up a lot of altitude, and then go to the weekly market in Smith to do their weekly shopping. Lots of tourists. And my granddaughter is having a lot of fun. It's a tea vendor. So here's my ivory tusker. It's a little bit closer shot from the edge of the hill. You can see a small gap out here in the fencing, bamboo fencing. Here's a bamboo fencing, so there is a small gap, and you can see a small pathway which is going down. So you can imagine how steep it is. Somebody must be going down there. Awesome. So guys, it was my humble effort to show you a little bit of Laitlum Valley and the canyons from Laitlum of Meghalaya. If you like my video and want to see more such videos of scenic places and offbeat places from Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal and other northeastern states, please consider subscription to my channel and also hit that like button, push that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you all. Love you.